All right, let's see what we got this time. Roseau, hack a web server. This is a hard hacking type level of scenario. There is a secret stored in the file that the local Apache web server can provide. Find the secret and have it as secret.txt file. Note that in this server, the admin user is not a sudoer. Also note that the password crackers, Hashcat, and Hydra are installed from packages, and John the Reaper binaries have been built from source in home admin John run. Okay, so I probably will have to use some kind of cracking. Yeah, remember, this is a hack kind of scenario, right? Okay, so what do we have here? Let's see. So we have a running we have a running Apache web server. It's probably running on a 80 port, and it's giving me unauthorized. Yeah, you have to be authorized. Server at localhost port 80. What if I go for port 81? Connection refused, port 80. Yeah, the same stuff. Okay. Usually, based on what I know, Apache Web Server stores information in a var HTML file. Yeah, there is a web file here. Okay. What if I try to modify or just look up the file? Permission denied. Can I be sudo? Yeah, I need a password. Oh yeah, that's because it's saying you're not a sudoer. Your admin, the admin user is not a sudoer, so you have to do something else. Um, let's actually go into where does it store the information? Is there like Apache? Apache is there? Yeah, so there is apparently there is some stuff related to Apache. So is there? Oh yeah, I see there is Apache. There is a there is this Apache folder. So let's go to this folder Apache 2. Let's actually dive into Apache conf. Okay. So it is split into several files forming the configuration hierarchy outlined below, all located in the etc Apache directory. So we have conf enabled, sites enabled, mods enabled, and ports. So ports are probably okay. I'm not interested in ports. I'm interested in probably conf enabled or sites enabled. Yeah, we have conf enabled. pd conf enabled. What do we have here? We have a bunch of config files. Security is probably what we want to look into. Is there anything server token, server signature, trace enable? No, I don't see anything here that resembles the stuff that I'm looking for. Let's actually go into sites enabled. And what do we have here? We have webmaster, document root. Yeah, this is the folder, document root, error log, custom log, where it actually writes custom logs and error logs. And here we have auth type basic, protected content, and auth user file. That's probably the stuff that we want to crack, and it requires valid user. Again, I cannot modify it. If I, let's say, if I try to delete this file, if I go for saving it, no, it doesn't work. Yeah, it stays the same, and I cannot do much about it. So let's actually use, um, let's actually use John the Reaper. Let's actually use this, what is it, var HTML? No, where was it? Etc. Apache. Yeah, apache.ht password. Oh, looks like we got something. Chalet and Carlos. So apparently Carlos is probably a username. So let's actually try to go into a local host with this password and username. By the way, curl is such an important command that it's a command line utility that you probably want to know even the parameters, the stuff like Carlos, Chalet. And yeah, we actually managed to get in. There is no unauthorized web page. So there is a bunch of HTML tags and files index of, and there is something like, oh wait, there is web file. What can we do with this web file? Maybe we can get it. So there is localhost web file. web file and output secret. Boom, we got it. Now what do we do? Can we actually go into it? No, it's some, this is actually some file, right? We cannot, it's not a source code, it's a binary. Can we do, now it needs a password, so we need to crack it again, right? So, okay, what do we do now? How do we actually crack it? There is a command called file, and yeah, it's saying it's a zip archive data, at least version 10 to extract. Okay. Let's use let's actually use zip to John, since this is a zip file, right? And let's actually say zip hash. Yeah, we got something out of it, I think. Yeah, we got the zip hash, so it managed to actually, it successfully completed the getting the hash file of this secret. Now we can use John again on the same zip hash and see what we get. Yeah, we got Andes. So this is secret txt, and this is Andes. Now what's the solution? Yeah, we have to wait. We actually, oh, we already have the Andes. So we want to store it, the Andes password. We want to store it in the secret.txt. So what's our working directory? Secret.txt. Yeah, working directory is home admin. Cat secret.txt is Andes. I think this is it. And actually, yeah, let's do the final check. Let's run this whole thing and see what we get. We get 89b. So the hash is the SHA-SUM is 89BAD, and it's different. Huh. This is kind of strange. Let's check the solution. It is incorrect. Why? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? I don't get it. Oh, wait. I forgot. I think I forgot the last step. We got the password, right? We got the password. So now we need to get the, yeah, we actually want to unzip the secret with the password, which is Andes. Yes. And we extracted secret, and let's see. Oh, damn. Let's see what we have here. Roseau Dominica, yeah. So the scenario name is roseau, and the actual secret name is roseau. Let's do this again. We got CC2C something, and it's ending with F8. Here we got CC2C and it's ending with F8. Okay, this is probably it. Yeah, I think we successfully hacked it. Yeah, perfect, awesome. Thanks everyone.